Good morning, students. I am Deval Verma, Assistant Professor in ABSIT College of Engineering. So, in this lecture, we will discuss some remaining problems of Rolle's theorem. So, let's start. Verify the Rolle's theorem for the given function. If your function is exponential function, verify the Rolle's theorem for fx. Fx is 4 to the power sin x in interval, that is 0 to pi. So solution here. We all knows that exponential function is continuous and differentiable everywhere. So using this property, since 4 to the power sin x or sin x function is continuous and differentiable everywhere, this implies fx is continuous in closed interval 0 to pi and fx is differentiable on open interval 0 to pi. So at x equals to 0, f of 0 equals to 4 to the power sin 0, 4 to the power 0, 1, and f x equals to pi, f of pi 4 to the power sin pi 4 to the power 0 equals to 1. So this implies f of 0 equals to f of pi. So Rolle's theorem is applicable here. Rolle's theorem is applicable here. It means there exists a point C from where we can say f dash C equals to 0. इसलिए fx equals to 4 to the power sin x. Next slide. Yes. So Rolle's theorem is applicable. This implies f dash x equals to 0 at x equals to c. So fx equals to 4 to the power sin x. So compute here f dash x, its derivative. So that is 4 to the power sin x log a to the power x log x होता था ना, एंड sin x का जो डेरिवेटिव आएगा डेट इज cos x एट दिस इज 0. At x equals to c, f dash c equals to that is 4 to the power sin c log c and cos c equals to 0. So here 4 to the power sin c and log c both are not equals to 0. So from this result we can say only cos C equals to 0. So this implies C equals to pi by 2. From pi by 2 belongs to 0 to pi. Okay. So there exists C equals to pi by 2, which belongs in interval 0 to pi, such that f dash C equals to 0. So Rolle's theorem is verified here. Rolle's is verified here. Okay, हमें C वो पॉइंट मिल गया यहाँ पे, C equals to pi by 2 which belongs to 0 to pi such that f dash C equals to 0. So Rolle's theorem is verified here. Another example. Verify Rolle's theorem for the following function. Verify Rolle's theorem for the following function. So fx is given here, e to the power x sin x minus cos x, and x belongs here, that is close interval pi by 4, and this is 5 pi by 4. So solution, since fx is an exponential function, fx हमारा एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन है, और जो sin x है, sin x एंड cos x, ये जो sin x और cos x है, and sin x and cos x are everywhere differentiable and continuous. Differentiable and continuous. So this implies, यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं fx is continuous in close interval pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, and fx is differentiable on open interval pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. Now at x equals to pi by 4, अब fa और fb निकालेंगे, तो f pi by 4 की जो वैल्यू आएगी आपकी कैलकुलेट होके, डेट इज e टू द पावर pi by 4 sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4 equals to 0, and x equals to 5 pi by 4. So 5 pi by 4 is again e to the power 5 pi by 4 sin 5 pi by 4 minus cos 5 pi by 4 equals to 0. In this question, the function is contained exponential function and sin and cos x function. तो यहाँ पर e टू दी पावर x का जो फंक्शन है वो एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन है, तो अगर हम इसे ग्राफिकली देखें तो वो एक कंटिन्यूअस ग्राफ रहता है इसका, तो ये e टू दी पावर x जो होता है हमेशा कंटिन्यूअस ही रहता है ये फंक्शन, और जो sin x और cos x के हैं ये भी कंटिन्यूअस ही रहेंगे जो यहाँ गिवन इंटरवल है π/4 to 5π/4 पर। So this function is exponential function and sin x and cos x are everywhere differentiable and continuous. So that's why हमने इस प्रॉपर्टी से फिर इस एंड पॉइंट पर हमने फंक्शन की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करी। सो हेयर f π/4 equals to f 5π/4. Okay. So there exists a point C such that fx satisfies such that C belongs to π/4 and 5π/4. ओके, तो इसके लिए एंड f डैश C इक्वल्स टू 0, तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हमारा fx क्या है, e⁻x sin x minus cos x. Then f dash x is e⁻x cos x plus sin x plus e⁻x again sin x minus cos x. So e⁻x cos x is cancelled here. So 2e⁻x 2e⁻x sin x, f dash x is this. So now by property of Rolle's theorem, that is f dash x equals to 0. This implies 2e⁻x sin x equals to 0. From here e⁻x never be equals to 0. So sin x equals to 0 equals to sin pi. So x equals to pi. From here pi belongs to π/4 and 5π/4. So C is equals to this pi here. If f dash C equals to 0, so C equals to pi. This is the answer. And pi belongs to π/4 and 5π/4. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. This is your exercise. Verify Rolle's theorem. When fx is x minus a to the power m and x minus b to the power n in closed interval ab, mn be positive integer, mn be positive integer. Number 2, fx equals to e⁻x sin x in closed interval 0 to pi. Number 3, fx equals to log x square plus ab upon a plus b x in closed interval ab. Fourth, fx equals to sin x upon e⁻x in closed interval 0 to pi. And fifth problem is fx equals to x plus 3 e to the power minus x by 2 in minus 3 comma 0. So this is your exercise. Thank you all.